The first website that I chose for this project is Pekansas. I selected this as a PE teacher. It's geared towards my career, so I've found it to be useful when I've used it, but I still haven't completely explored it until this project. So my purpose is to help other PE teachers out there that are just getting started or looking for another kind of a one-stop shop for everything that they need as far as lesson plans, the standards that we're teaching by, several other different resources. My intended audience is other PE teachers, so my peers. The two ISTE standards that I am using for this is ISTE E5A and 5B. So how the website works, I have the standards currently pulled up, and you can see the PE standards there, 1 through 5, and then they've also got the national health standards there, very readily available. If you click on the PE standards, it pulls up a 46-page document here that goes more in depth on each of the individual standards, what they should be doing at each grade, and how they progress. So it's very, very in-depth. So going back to the actual website, if you look up at the top, so if you click on grade levels, they've got all sorts of activities that you can come up with and lesson plans ready. You simply select the grade level, the type of activity that you were looking at doing, and then it comes up with all sorts of different activities that fall into those categories. Listed under each, the blue numbers there, you can see the standards that apply to each. So let's just click on 10-second fitness, and then it comes up with the lesson plan. If I want to add this to my lesson plan, it automatically will come up with a document that I can print off and then utilize in my class. So as far as lesson plans, you can see my 10-second fitness there was added. At that point, then I can go through and add different specifics to and considerations to that lesson plan. So I haven't utilized this to the full extent like I mentioned before, but it's a very, very handy website to have for PE teachers of any experience level.